Hello. Wow, this feels just really weird, awkward. Yeah, I'm back and I just want to move forward with my life. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, you know that my grandmother passed away, and dealing with loss is really hard. It hit me a lot harder than I expected it to. There's some other personal issues going on behind the scenes, just with my mental health and everything, and it's just been really difficult, just dealing with loss, and then like stuff with my mental health that didn't have to do with that, and just like switching up all this kind of stuff, and then like some other factors in my life. It's just been really tough. So I just wanted to sit down, stop being afraid of myself, stop being afraid of the judgment that I'll get from taking another really long break from YouTube, and I really just want to sit down and play with makeup. I have a lot of new items. The first thing to get out of the way is I do have colored contacts in my eyes. These look very similar to the ones that are on TikTok, like that glow filter. These are from TTDI, and I will be doing like I think a dedicated video later on just talking about colored contacts and all that stuff. I wanted to show you guys these contacts, kind of have a little bit of fun. It is hard looking at the bright lights with these on, just because I mean there's something on your eyeballs. So oh, it is so hot in my room as well. I've been wearing my hair in space buns like every single day. It's been fantastic. My hair is 2 different colors now, so that's great. But yeah, so I'm just gonna play with the makeup right now. I recently picked up the Kaleidos palette. This is the Flower Punk palette, and this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today. You guys, this palette color story is just absolutely gorgeous. The packaging is amazing. They are a European brand, I believe. Like, I had to wait a long time to get this. The packaging is just super cool. I still have my protector on the mirror, but it just sits like this. A lot of people are complaining that they wish like the mirror would sit like that, which I totally can understand with that. But it's just like, I mean, look at the color story. This is just so beautiful. I'm beyond excited to test these shadows out. I've never tried anything from Kaleidos, and I saw so many people talk about this brand, so I had to jump on the bandwagon. I'm actually going to go ahead and do one eye off camera. I just want to kind of play with makeup and, you know, just have a little bit of me time. I haven't worn makeup since my last beauty video, which is really crazy. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've even personally worn makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera and I'll be right back. Here's the look I created. Nothing too fancy. I really was inspired. Like I said, this is the filter that's on TikTok right now. So I kind of wanted to recreate like that shape. So let's go ahead and dive in. Again, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going in with this dark mauve color. This is called Nouveau, and this is going to be going in my crease. I'm using a Sigma E25, which is seriously one of my favorite brushes. I already have eyeshadow primer on and my P. Louise base on as my base. Taking this and I'm just literally packing it on. These shadows are so soft, like I'm barely getting any fallout at all. It's just amazing. I'm just really concentrating on this outer portion. Oh, by the way, my contacts are, like I said, the TTDI contacts, and these are in the color Rome Gray. Can you see that? Probably not, because my camera is being horrible with autofocus lately. So I literally just packed that in and I'm blending that out. And I have hooded eyes, so I always try to do my eyeshadow with my eye open, because then I can see actually how much eyeshadow is going to be showing. Then I'm going in with a Sigma E55, and I'm going to be going into the shade Peach Soju, which is that beautiful pastel pink. It's not quite a pastel, but it's like, I don't know, it's a really pretty soft pink shade, and I'm just like, it's so matte and so pigmented. Oh my gosh, I'm just packing that on all over the lid like that. anywhere that I lost that darker mauve shade, the Nouveau shade. Just blending back out. And then with my finger, I'm taking this beautiful duochrome called Stained Glass. Oh my gosh, and I'm using that with my finger. It's such a pretty duochrome. Can you see that? And I'm putting that on the center of my lid. There's the eyeshadow. Like I said, super simple, and I'm looking, and this side definitely looks a little bit higher, so I think I'm going to try to blend. So pretty. I'm very pleasantly happy. I knew. I've heard so many great things about this brand, so I'm so excited that the shadows performed beautifully. Shein actually, well, SheGlam actually sent some products over. They have this new Birthday Skin Primer Smoothing Rose Primer, and they sent this over for me to try. So it comes in this beautiful packaging, and you guys, I have purchased SheGlam makeup on my own without them sending it to me. That's how much I like their makeup. Like, it's so affordable. So here is the primer. Get that baby soft, flawless skin you're born with thanks to this primer gel. This is to brighten and smooth out imperfections and say goodbye to visible pores and a more even complexion. And it comes with like a little spoon here, but it's like, oh, wow. I just did a little bit. Oh, that is the weirdest consistency. It's like hard, but then once you mix it between your fingers, it like smooths itself out. Alright, I'm putting this on my large pores. I'm just gonna focus this on my T-zone, and like seriously, that little bit felt like so much. I didn't need much at all. But it definitely feels more like a moisturizer and not so much a silicone primer, which is good. This is already out, so definitely check that out. I also have a discount code with SheGlam as well, so check that out. Like I said, I genuinely like their makeup. I purchased some things on my own. Guys, I love Shein. Just saying. Oh my gosh. That website is dangerous. Too dangerous, because I end up spending too much money on there. Let's go in with complexion. I also wanted to talk about these new lip oils from Sigma. They sent these over to me a while ago. These are also out already. I am obsessed with lip oils right now. These are the Lustrous Lip Repair Hydrating Lip Oils. I use lip oils. I got one in a BoxyCharm here, and I look like I've used so much of it. I love this. So the fact they came out with tinted ones, oh, love. So I'm actually going to put the clear one on just because my lips feel a little bit chapped. And again, I do have a discount code and an affiliate link with Sigma. So if you do buy through those links and use my discount code, it helps me out so much. I've been so stressed because I got hit with some pretty large hospital bills recently, and that I wasn't expecting. I'm going to take the Dragon Beauty color corrector in that light purpley shade. So I got hit with some pretty big hospital bills lately that I was not expecting, and it's just been like really discouraging. My health has just been like all over the place, and then my mental health's been all over the place. Like, I literally have not felt like myself in a long time. I don't know, really discouraging. That didn't do too much color correcting. I'm actually gonna go with the Becca Color Correct Peach Putty stuff. This video was all over the place, so I completely apologize. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys, and I've honestly been really scared about coming back because I've made you know, long absences before, and I know how frustrating that can be for your subscribers and everything. I haven't used this foundation in so long, the Glamouflage Hard Candy. This is like my favorite summer foundation. This one's in the shade 1506 Nude, so hopefully this matches me. I have gotten a lot tanner recently. Oh yeah, this might be too light. Oh my gosh, I haven't worn foundation. You just tell like I'm all over the place. Just don't feel like myself lately. It's just been really hard. And if any of you suffer from mental health or anything like that, you just know that like you could have a good day, you can have a bad day. And then if something traumatic happens for you, because like my grandmother's passing was really traumatic for me. And I already suffer from pretty severe post-traumatic stress disorder from another incident that happened to me. That I don't know if I've shared or talked about it at all, but so my body's already in fight or flight mode, and as you guys know, I've been dealing with like medication changes, and I just found out some other stuff, and I had a bad reaction with those medications and just like other family stuff, and oh my gosh, it's just been like, I don't know. April was great. May was horrible, and then at the end of May was horrible. I don't know. Oh, yeah, this is too light. So that's kind of, I don't know where I'm at right now. And again, I'm sorry that like this video is all over the place. I need to just like get over myself and that fear. Like, does anybody just avoid stuff so much that they avoid it and avoid it and avoid it because they're just terrified? Elf Hydrating Camo Concealer. Oh my gosh, all this stuff is probably way too light for me right now. Oh yeah, because I've tanned. This microfiber sponge I got from SheGlam, and I purchased it on my own as well. It's not damp or anything. Just grabbed it really quick. Oh yeah, all my makeup is way too pale for me right now. Set with my La Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I think I'm going to use the One Size powder foundation because it seems so dark when you put it on. I have a full video wearing this on its own if you want to check that out. I'm going to use my Milani bronzer here. I'm going to grab this Essence blush. I'm going to do some highlight as well. Actually, I purchased this palette myself from SheGlam. This is the Peachy 3D palette. Highlighter and maybe this gold, the gold and the white mixing together. Oh my gosh, yes. And SheGlam actually has an eyebrow pencil as well. So it's like a felt tip on one side and then a pencil on the other. Let's try this felt tip. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's cool. You see, I don't know if you could tell. Got mine in the shade, oh, it doesn't say. I think I'm going to go back into the Kaleidos palette with that Nouveau shade here, and I'm just going to line with a tiny little pencil brush and line like under my waterline, like right here, my lower lash line, I mean. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do mascara, eyeliner, all that fun stuff off of camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, here's what we got so far. I have these Kara Beauty lashes on in the style A3. I absolutely love the Kara Beauty lashes. Seriously, oh my gosh, I think this style is A8, is my absolute favorite. I love it. I just did a little baby brown wing on the outside just to make my eyes look a little bit more lifted. I'm actually going to be using this lip liner from St. Luxe. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm. This one's in the shade Secret Admirer. My lips are such a weird shape. And I'm going to take the Essence lipstick in the shade Loyal, which is so beautiful. Set it with some setting spray. And there we have the completed look. What do you guys think? Do I look like the TikTok filter? I know this wasn't too in-depth or too like personal or anything. Again, I'm just like, I don't know if you guys can tell, I feel so awkward and like might also be the coffee jitters. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching and being patient with me and everything. I really hope to come back and dive in full force for you guys. So thank you all so much for being patient and just being supportive and everything. It's really helped. So thank you all so much and have an amazing day. Bye.